Try hitting that bolt with the impact wrench again. It's spinning but not loosening. We're getting nowhere with this rust. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, keep it coming slowly.
We are making progress on this Titan, but the rust is extensive.
The engine block is completely seized, and this will require a full overhaul. The engine bay looks worse than expected. We're gonna have to cut these bolts. I'll get the grinder ready. This engine is completely seized. Look at the rust on the manifold.
Yeah, we're gonna need the torch to get these panels off.
This rust is worse than we thought.
The impact wrench isn't cutting it on this side.
The torque on this side is completely off.
The diagnostics tablet shows a major issue with the hydraulic line right.
Full disassembly is critical. We're assessing the structural damage before the new engine goes in.
Deep in the jungle, the team begins the painstaking process of tearing down the armored behemoth.
Torque that down to specs.
It's holding pressure now. We can move to the hydraulics.
Easy on the hydraulics, watch the pressure.
Chassis is clear. Start welding on sector 4.
This bolt needs to be tightened to 7 to 5 foot-pounds.
All right, let me check the pressure on the line, make sure it holds.
Keep the grinder steady on that seam.
Torquing the main strut now, almost there.
A little more to the right, right there. Engaging the clamp now. With the chassis stabilized, we can start addressing the structural integrity. This torque wrench ensures the new components are secured to military specifications.
Okay, ease off the hydraulic jack slightly.
Got it. Now try the impact wrench again on that lower strut.
We're just finishing the final torque sequence on the suspension mounts. Everything has to be precise before we move to paint.
Okay, bring it down another 2 inches. Easy.
Holding steady.
Right there. Now secure the main housing bolts.
And that's the click. All set on the hydraulics.
Looks good, Commander. Moving to the next phase.
Check the pressure on the hydraulic lines again.
It's holding steady now. The engine should be ready for the first cycle.
Make sure that hydraulic line is secured before we power it up.
Got it. Hitting it with the torque wrench now.
With the mechanical systems rebuilt, the team moves on to the crucial body preparation phase before painting.
With the mechanical systems rebuilt, the crew moves on to the bodywork, ensuring every bolt is torqued to spec.
Hit it again. We need full compression on the suspension bolts. All right, she's seated. Did you get the torque specs for the differential?
Yeah, it's 75 pounds.
The reassembly phase is critical. Here we're installing the hydraulic systems before the final armor plating goes on.
Reservoir is almost full.
Okay, initiating the pressure test now. Keep an eye on the line.
Pressure is holding steady at 5,000.
All right, cycling the suspension now. Watch the gauges. Ignition sequence engaged.
We have engine turnover. Hydraulics check good.
Solid idle established.
We're solid back here.
Hydraulics are fully pressurized. Ready for the load test.
All right, easy now. Bring her forward.
Hydraulics look good, boss. She's smooth.